Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve this interesting math Olympiad question. The question is, find the square root of 9 minus square root of 8, and we need to find the real solution. Now let us solve like this. As we know, square root of 9 is equal to plus 3 minus square root of 8, we can write it as 4 into 2. Again we can write this as square root of 3 minus square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 2. Now we can see this is a number whose square root we need to find out. It means if we can represent this number with some square, then we can easily find the square root of that square. As we are able to see one negative sign here, then we can think of a formula, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. If we need to compare this number with this expression, then we can write as a square plus b square is equal to 3 and 2ab is equal to 2 root 2. Now from here we can say that a b is equal to root 2. Squaring both the sides, we can say a square b square is equal to root 2 square, that is 2. So from these two equations we need to determine two numbers whose addition is 3 and whose multiplication is 2. Then the possibility is a square is equal to 2 and b square is equal to 1. If a square is equal to 2, then a is equal to square root of 2 and b is equal to square root of 1, that is 1. This number we can write a minus b whole square. A is square root of 2 minus b is 1 whole square. Now this square and square root will cancel out and the answer is the absolute value of root 2 minus 1. As we know, the value of root 2 is 1.42 minus 1 must be a positive number. Hence the answer is square root of 2 minus 1. Hence we can write square root of 9 minus square root of 8 is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. This is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.